Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get honey in Icarus. As you can see right now, right in front of me, there is a tree stump that is filled with bees. And currently right now, because the bees have found me, they are currently attacking me. Now the one way you can fight these bees is to time a melee swing when they're lunging right at you. For example, like this. And that little swarm of bees were completely taken care of. Of course, you can also just initiate an attack and just lunge at them and then do the melee attack like this. Now, once you've taken out the swarm of bees, you can then go back to where their nest is and try to attack it. Give it a whack a couple of times until eventually there's a prompt that says press F to interact, and then you can get the items inside. And in here, I can get 4 honeycombs, some worker bees, and most importantly, a queen bee that you can use for farming. And now I'll just go back to my base and then process the honeycombs into honey. Alright, back in my home base, I'll just go to my mortar and pestle, right here, then press F to interact, and I should be able to see some honey right here. And then max it out, and then I should be able to make 3 pieces of honey with 6 pieces of honeycombs. And that's pretty much about it on how to get honey in Icarus.